Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the best beer batter. So let's get started. For this recipe I'll be using 1 pound of filet cod. Now let's prepare the beer batter. You'll need 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And combine all the dry ingredients well. And pour in any 7-ounce beer of your choice. I'll be using Corona light beer for this recipe. Whisk until it forms a smooth batter. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Just like this. I'll be using 1 pound of filet cod for this recipe. Make sure to slice the fish on an angle to get thin slices. Just like this. After washing the fish, make sure to squeeze out all the excess water from the fish, or else the batter will be very soggy. Now that we're done cutting up the fish, let's prepare the oil and get ready to fry. I'll be using a small pot to fry up my fish. I'm adding 3 cups of vegetable oil. But if you're using a bigger pot, you'll need 6 to 7 cups of vegetable oil. Add a small amount of batter into the oil, and if the batter floats, then you're ready to fry the fish. We'll need to refry the fish twice. This allows the fish to not be too oily. Fry the fish until it turns a light golden color. Then remove the fish from the pot and set it aside on a piece of napkin. Once you're done frying up the fish, let's refry the fish for 2 minutes or until golden brown. When it's done frying, place it on a piece of napkin and it's ready to be served. Enjoy! And here you have it, delicious crispy beer batter fish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.